Hi, I'm Brad, president of Beijing Hongdee Corporation. We've been dealing with ophthalmic equipment for 15 years. And today, I would like to give you a brief tour of our workshop for the manual phoropters.
Hi, it's Joanna. The main parts are all made in the CNC machining center. The precision is pretty high. It minimizes the machining error. Each part has a traceable mark, which enhances the in-process control. It secures the overall quality of the whole phoropter.
Okay, this is Leo with Hongdee Corporation. Today I want to introduce our factory for everyone. Hi, Qian.
Hi, I'm Qian. In charge of assembly guild. I worked here for 6 years.
Yeah, in fact, 15% workers have been worked over 10 years. It means our workers are very experienced in assembling metal phoropters, which guarantee reliability. Okay, this phoropter shear is adapted to electrostatic spirit plastics, making the surface very smooth and very nice looking.
Our daily production capacity of phoropter is 30 units. Monthly production is about 1,000 units. Normally, for small quantity, lead time will be just for several days.
Our ISO certificate, our verified supplier certificate, all the certificates.
Hi, my name is Bernhard Steiner and I own a small medical device company in Austria that has specialized in eye care. I've been in this industry for almost 30 years and during this time I've worked together with partners from all over the world. Business with Hongdee started back in 2016. Due to the small size of our country, the number of goods we purchase from Hongdee is limited, but like Tom, I have always
Welcome. Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome to Hongdee.
Welcome to Beijing Hongdee Corporation.
Welcome to Beijing Hongdee Corporation.
Welcome to join Hongdee.
Welcome to Hongdee.